Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you all how to delete your Instagram account permanently in 2022 with update method. If you are a iPhone user, for you very easily to delete your Instagram account permanently in 2022, but if you are an Android phone user, for you very hard to delete Instagram account permanently in 2022. But if you watch full video till the end, then you can learn step by step how to delete your Instagram account permanently with update method. Okay, so what you have to do is you need to watch full video till the end and subscribe this channel if you not yet subscribe, and hit the bell button for new update video. Okay, do you know why you want to delete your Instagram account permanently? Sometimes you can make a multiple account in Instagram, but after a few days you think that you can't continue a lot of Instagram account together. That's why you think that you need to delete few of Instagram account because you can't continue. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you all how to delete your other Instagram account permanently. Okay, so before I going to main part of this video, I'm going to introduce with you all a good one-stop video editor, which is Joyshare VideoKit. VideoKit, which help you to convert video, cut video, join video, and also compress video, and it also help us to record PC screen with audio. Moreover, it support us to repair video, add video, and also remove watermark. The main features of Joyshare VideoKit is screen recorder. Now I'm going to show you how to screen record with Joyshare VideoKit. Okay, just click this select area and then you can customize the recording area and you can adjust the sound here. Okay, now if you click this gear button, there are more professional features you can use. Click the record button to start recording. If you're interested about this software, Joyshare VideoKit product link on video description box. You can free download from official website. It support Windows and Mac. So first of all, what you have to do if you want to delete your Instagram account permanently, just go to your Instagram account. Okay, and then tap on Instagram profile, and then you can see here is three line. Okay, the right side corner, just tap on three line. And then you can see here is settings option. Okay, just tap on setting and then tap on account. Okay, after you tap on account, you can't see here is a delete option, but if you are a iPhone user, then you can see here is delete option. If you click on delete, then permanently you can delete your Instagram account from iPhone easily. But if you're an Android phone user, you can't see here delete option. Okay, so what you have to do, never mind, just watch full video till the end, then you can learn step by step how to delete your Instagram account permanently. Okay, so just now you need to go back and then you can see here is help. Okay, just tap on help and then you need to go through help center. We need help. Okay, that's why we need to go through help center, and then after that go to help center, you need to tap on three line. Okay, and then you can see here is manage your account. Just tap on manage your account, and then you can see here is option delete your account. Okay, just you need to tap on delete your account. Once you tap on delete your account, you can see here is delete your Instagram account. Just tap on it. Okay, once you click on delete your Instagram account, you can't see here any option to delete your Instagram account. Okay, you only can see here, you can see temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, but actually we want to delete your Instagram account permanently. We don't want to deactivate your account or our account. Okay, so when you click on delete your account, you can't find out any option to delete your account. So what you have to do now, then click on temporarily deactivate your Instagram account here, the upper option. Once you click on temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, slowly scroll down. Okay, after that you can see here is option delete your Instagram account. Okay, now what you have to do is just tap on delete your Instagram account. Okay, once you tap on delete your Instagram account, then you can see here Android app help. Okay, then you need to tap on here and then just change the browser like mobile browser help. Okay, because we want to delete our Snapchat account from Android phone, not iPhone. Okay, that's why we need to tap on mobile browser help. Okay, once you tap on mobile browser help, okay, and then slowly you need to scroll down. Okay, and then you can see here is option Instagram.com from a mobile browser. Just tap on here, then you can see here is option delete your account. Okay, now if you want to delete your account permanently, then tap on delete your account. Once you tap on delete your account, so now you need to select the region why you want to delete your Instagram account permanently. Okay, then you need to select any of region like too many ads, and then you need to re-enter your password here. Okay, once you put your password here, and then you need to click on delete option. Okay, so if you click on delete option, then your account permanently will be deleted. Okay, so this is the process in 2022. If you want to delete your Instagram account permanently, then you need to follow this way. Okay, so after you watch full video till the end, if you can delete your Instagram account permanently, please let me know in video comment box. Okay, I can help you. Okay, so if you think that this video is help you, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell button for new update videos. Okay, so see you soon on next video. Till then, take care, tata, bye.